City riding just got smarter in 2025. Imagine gliding through traffic, folding your bike in seconds, and taking it with you on the train, into the office, or even up the stairs to your apartment. That's the magic of foldable e-bikes. Today, I'm counting down the 10 best foldable electric bikes in 2025, all perfect for urban commuting, storage convenience, and everyday riding. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 10, Aventon Cinch 2. The Aventon Cinch 2 is more than just a folding bike. It's a city commuter's dream, disguised in a compact fat tire package. Built with a sturdy step-through aluminum frame, the Cinch 2 folds neatly in just a few quick steps, making it easy to store under a desk, in the trunk of a car, or even tucked away in a small apartment. Despite being foldable, it doesn't compromise on strength or style. Its 4-inch fat tires, paired with a front suspension fork, give it the ability to roll smoothly over potholes, cracks, and uneven paths that are so common in urban environments. It's like having a mini SUV that just happens to fold in half. At a price point between $1,299 and $1,799, the Aventon Cinch 2 balances practicality, performance, and premium touches. For urban riders who want a foldable bike that doesn't feel like a compromise, this model brings power, range, and portability together in one impressive package. Number 9. OneUp Porto. The OneUp Porto shows that foldable e-bikes don't have to break the bank to deliver real performance. With a simple but stylish folding frame, this bike was designed with commuters in mind, offering a compact footprint without sacrificing comfort. It folds down quickly, making it easy to take on public transit, fit into a car trunk, or store inside an apartment. Despite being built for portability, the Porto feels sturdy and well-balanced, which isn't always the case with budget-friendly folding e-bikes. Weighing about 63 pounds, it's not ultra-light, but for a folding bike with this level of performance and build quality, the trade-off is worth it. At around $1,095 to $1,195, the OneUp Porto hits a sweet spot for budget-conscious city riders who want a reliable, fun-to-ride folding e-bike without skimping on the essentials. It's an excellent option for someone looking for their first e-bike or as a second commuter bike that combines value, performance, and portability. Number 8. Lectric XP 3.0. If there's one folding e-bike that has practically become a household name, it's the Lectric XP 3.0. Known for bringing performance and portability to the masses, this third-generation model builds on the success of its predecessors with more power, better comfort, and added utility. Its low-step folding frame makes it quick to collapse, and once folded, it can be tucked into tight spaces like a dorm room corner, RV storage bay, or small city apartment. The XP 3.0 manages to feel both compact and rugged, thanks to its fat 20-inch tires and durable build. Its 48-volt battery offers up to 45 miles of range per charge, and the inclusion of a throttle gives riders flexibility for when they don't feel like pedaling. A key improvement with the XP 3.0 is its handling. The frame feels more stable, and the wider handlebars provide a more comfortable riding position. Hydraulic brakes ensure strong stopping power, while the suspension fork smooths out bumps for an overall comfortable city cruising experience. Number 7. Brompton Celine Electric. The Brompton Celine Electric is arguably the most iconic folding e-bike on the market, carrying forward Brompton's long-standing reputation for ultra-compact design and craftsmanship. What sets it apart is its size when folded. No other folding e-bike on this list comes close. In under 20 seconds, the Celine folds into a neat, suitcase-sized package that can easily be wheeled through a train station, tucked under an office desk, or even stowed in the overhead compartment of some trains and buses. The small 16-inch wheels and responsive motor make stop-and-go city riding feel snappy, and the lightweight design makes it easier to carry than most e-bikes in its class. Comfort-wise, the Brompton doesn't offer suspension or fat tires, but the steel frame provides natural flex that absorbs some road vibrations. Its smaller wheels also make it incredibly nimble, weaving through tight traffic with ease. Riders can choose between 2 or 6-speed gearing, which keeps it versatile enough for different terrains while still prioritizing simplicity. Number 6. Heyike Ranger. The Heyike Ranger is a foldable e-bike that blends urban commuting with light adventure riding, thanks to its fat tires and full-featured design. Under the frame sits a 500-watt rear hub motor that can peak at 750 watts, giving it solid acceleration for urban traffic and enough torque to handle light off-road trails. The 48 volts, 48-mile capacity battery provides a respectable range for commuting and weekend rides. And with pedal assist plus throttle modes, riders can choose whether they want to pedal lightly or let the motor do most of the work. It tops out at 25 miles per hour, which makes it slightly quicker than many of its competitors in the foldable category. What sets the Ranger apart is its balance of comfort and practicality. For riders who want a folding e-bike that can transition seamlessly between city streets and light trail riding, the Heyike Ranger delivers versatility, comfort, and value in one solid package. Number 5. Buzz Centress. The Buzz Centress takes a simpler approach to the foldable e-bike concept, focusing on ease of use, affordability, and practicality. With a compact folding frame, it's designed to collapse in just seconds, making it highly convenient for commuters or casual riders who need to stash their bike in a small apartment or office space. While it doesn't have the aggressive styling of some other models, the Centress is approachable and beginner-friendly, appealing to riders who just want a straightforward folding e-bike without too many bells and whistles. Where the Centress really shines is affordability. At roughly $999, it's one of the cheapest folding e-bikes that still offers a solid balance of features. Weighing just under 60 pounds, it's easier to lift and store than heavier foldables, which is a bonus for apartment dwellers. While it won't win awards for range or off-road capability, the Buzz Centress delivers on its promise. A straightforward, budget-friendly folding e-bike that makes city commuting and storage simple. Number 4. Lectric X Premium. The Lectric X Premium is one of the most feature-packed folding e-bikes in 2025, designed for riders who want long-distance capability without giving up portability. Unlike most folding e-bikes, the X Premium is equipped with a dual battery system, two 48-volt batteries that can deliver up to 100 miles of range on pedal assist. That's nearly double, or even triple, what many foldables in this category can achieve, making it ideal for commuters, weekend adventurers, or even delivery riders who need an all-day bike without constant recharging. At the heart of the X Premium is a 500-watt mid-drive motor, which immediately sets it apart from the hub-driven foldables on this list. Mid-drive systems provide more natural pedaling, better hill climbing power, and greater efficiency. Combined with a torque sensor, the pedal assist feels smooth and intuitive, almost like an extension of your own pedaling rather than an abrupt motor boost. Number 3. Tern GSD S10. The Tern GSD S10 isn't just a folding e-bike, it's a cargo e-bike that happens to fold. Tern has built a reputation for designing premium bikes that maximize space, and the GSD S10 is a prime example. Its frame is compact enough to fit in the footprint of a regular bicycle, yet it's engineered to carry up to 440 pounds, including rider and cargo. When folded down, the handlebars and seat post collapse for easier storage. But the GSD is more about practicality than ultra-compact folding. Where the GSD S10 truly shines is versatility. It comes with dual battery capability, a sturdy integrated rear rack, and the ability to attach child seats, panniers, or cargo accessories. Despite its strength, the smaller 20-inch wheels and compact geometry make it surprisingly maneuverable in city traffic. The frame is also adjustable to fit a wide range of riders, making it easy to share within households or businesses. Number 2. Unway EP2 Pro. The Unway EP2 Pro has become a fan favorite in the folding e-bike world, thanks to its balance of power, affordability, and rugged design. This bike stands out with its 20-inch fat tires, front suspension, and a powerful 750-watt motor, giving it the muscle to handle both city streets and light off-road adventures. For riders who want a folding e-bike that doesn't shy away from hills or gravel, the EP2 Pro is a strong contender. Its 48-volt 13-hour battery provides a solid range of around 50 to 60 miles with pedal assist, depending on riding style and terrain. The riding experience is comfortable and stable. The fat tires soak up bumps, while the front suspension adds an extra layer of shock absorption. Its step-through frame design makes it accessible for a wide range of riders, while the folding mechanism, though not as compact as a Brompton, allows it to fit into cars, closets, and tight storage spaces. Number 1. Rad Powerbikes Rad Expand 5. Topping the list is the Rad Powerbikes Rad Expand 5, a folding e-bike that has become a favorite for urban riders thanks to its comfort, versatility, and value. Rad Powerbikes is one of the most recognized e-bike brands in North America, and the Rad Expand 5 continues their tradition of building reliable, rider-friendly machines that don't cut corners. One of the highlights of the Rad Expand 5 is its comfort-focused design. It features 20-inch fat tires, a step-through frame for easy mounting, and an adjustable handlebar stem that allows riders of different heights to find their ideal position. This makes it particularly versatile for households where multiple people might share the bike. The fat tires combined with front suspension give it a stable, cushioned ride across city streets, gravel, and even light trails. So there you have it. 10 of the best foldable e-bikes in 2025, from ultra-compact commuters to cargo-hauling powerhouses. Whether you're battling traffic, saving space, or just want the freedom of an e-bike you can take anywhere, there's a perfect option for you on this list. Which one would you ride in your city? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more electric bike reviews. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep it electric.